Ninth class student, exercise 10.5. Question number 1. Question number 1 is in adjoining figure. This is figure. O is the center. Angle subtended by arc AC and AB. O is the center. That is figure of the given question. 30 and 60 degree are given. We find the angle. Question 1 given is O is center of circle. Angle AOB is equal to 60 degree and angle COB is equal to 30 degree. To find is angle, then point the D, angle ADC. Solution is angle AOC is equal to 60 plus 30 is equal to 90 degree. Angle ADC is 1/2 angle AOC. Subtended angle is 1/2 at center. 2 at circle. Center subtended angle at the center half is equal to angle ADC. So, is equal to 1/2 angle AOC is equal to 90. After divide to 45. Angle ADC value is 45 degree. Question number 2. Question number 2 is a chord of circle, that is circle. O is center. Chord AB is chord. OB, AB or OA is equal to R equal. Given is question number 2 is given O is center of circle. Chord AB is equal to OA is equal to OB. Radius of circle. M is lies on major segment. N is lies the major segment. Major arc, you can call the major arc. And N in minor arc to find is angle ANB and AMB. One angle is lies in minor arc, major segment, and other is minor segment. Solution is in triangle OAB. AB is equal to OA is equal to OB. At the given triangle AOB is equilateral triangle. So then angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. Equilateral triangle has each angle 60 degree. Then angle AM AOB is equal to 60 minor. Measure, we find the major angle AOB is equal to 360 minus 60. Then angle 60, rest angle of at the center is equal to 300 degree. Angle AM and AMB is equal to 1 by 2 angle AOB minor. 1 by 2 angle is equal to 60, divide by 2 is equal to 30. then angle AMB is equal to 30 degree and angle ANB is equal to 1/2 angle AOB. Measurement is 1/2 measure angle AOB 300 degree divide by 2 150 degree angle ANB lies on the measure angle is 150. Then question number 2 is complete. Question number 3 in figure, adjoining figure, that is figure of the circle O is center, PQ PR is chord, angle Q is equal to 100 degree. Find the value of angle this angle will be find question number 3 given is O is the center of circle, angle PQ R is equal to 110 degree. In triangle PQR we find the value यानी कि 2 find is angle OPR. Solution is angle PQR is equal to 100, then angle POR is equal to 2 into angle PQR. Angle 2 into 100, PQ R value 100, तो value angle POR, that is this value is we find the 200, then we find the measure segment, angle minor angle OPR is equal to 360 minus 200 is equal to 160 degree. So we find this angle is equal to 160 degree. In triangle POR, OP is equal to OR, radio of circle. Triangle PQR is isosceles triangle. Angle OPR equal angle ORP. Opposite angle angles of equal side. In triangle POR, angle 1 and 2, write this name. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is 160 is equal to 180. Sum of interior angle of triangle. 1 is equal to 2. Angle 1 plus angle 1, we write the 2 in place of 1. 160 is equal to 180. 2 angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 60. 2 angle 1 is equal to 20. Angle 1 is equal to angle 20 upon 2. 2 times 20, angle 1 will value of find the 10. Angle OPR value is equal to 10 degree. Question number 4. Question number 4 is that is figure in adjoining figure triangle same base, same segment. Both triangle ABC and D. Angle 60, 69 and that angle is 31 degree. We find the angle. Question number 4 is given is in adjoining figure angle ABC is equal to 69 degree and ACB is equal to 31 degree. We find the value of to find is angle BDC. That value solution in triangle ABC. Angle A plus angle ABC plus angle BCA is equal to 180 degree. Angle A is plus B value is 69 plus BC value is 31 degree. Then angle A is equal to 180 minus 100. Then angle A is equal to angle is equal to measure is 80 degree. Angle A is equal to angle D is equal to 80 degree. Lies on same segment. Both angles lie the same segment part. Circle part. Question number 4 is complete. Thank you.